Good afternoon, people. Another unboxing. Okay, what we have here is the Insta360 1RS Twin Edition. It's known as the Get Set Kit. Okay, and what's included, from my understanding, okay, so you've got your 1x4K boost lens, 1x360 lens, 1x one RS core, 1x RS battery base, 1x cap lens for the 360 lens, and 1x RS mounting bracket, and also the 120cm invincible selfie stick, plus 64GB micro SD card. Oh yeah, that's good. That's what it should be. Okay, box. All the accessories included. This is optional. The 1-inch wide angle lens. Get rid of these reflections. Okay, and I think they may have removed the SanDisk, and they'll be supplying their own card, because on Amazon's website this image of SanDisk had been removed. So selfie stick. Okay, what do we have here? Start with the core. So that's your core. That's the 4K boost lens, 360 lens, battery pack. I believe this is a slightly bigger battery pack than the original one. And in the box here, let's see what we got. I'm assuming that there'll be some mounting brackets. The charging cable, which I have plenty of, so I won't be using that. Oh yes, I've totally forgot about this. Okay, let's put this back. The protective cover for the 360 lens. Your main holder or the case. And what do we have here? So that'll be a bracket of some sort. The screws, feels like it, yep. Yep, for the tripod. So that's pretty good. Now these, I'm led to believe, are detachable, so modular bits, which is absolutely cracking. Ooh, I thought they'll require a lot of frost, but that's quality engineering. That is quality engineering, I must admit. Okay, so I just did stick them in. Pretty amazing. Very light, very light. So what I will be doing is I will be doing a lot of video shoot, hopefully, and keep the channel there we go. Put the battery pack in. Accidentally pressed it, but it's powering on. Alright. Okay. SD card not detected. Alright, got it. Yes. Right, I think the battery needs charging, so I'm going to plug this on charge now. So yeah, that's a quick unboxing. Let me get a closer shot of what we've got here. Let's remove this from the tripod. We have. Okay. A closer view of the 360 lens. protector, casing, charging lead, and the selfie stick, which I didn't unbox, so I'll probably do that. Just give me one sec, just zoom out a little bit. Seems to be a bit long, this. I'm not sure whether if this is because it is longer, but it is actually carrying in a pocket. I'm not so sure about it. That's blimey heck, that's long. So it stretches to 1.2 centimeter, 1.2 meter in length, so 120 centimeter, I should say. So interesting. It's nice. It's not heavy, but it's just one of those things. So there you have it, guys. A quick unboxing for this action camera. Stay tuned, because there'll be a lot of videos coming on bike riding and on these action camera footages and things like that. So that's all for now. Take care. Peace.